Hi, I'm Chef Sabrina Tinsley, and today I'm going to demonstrate how to make tagliatelle con sugo di porcini, which means tagliatelle with porcini mushroom sauce. This is a very simple dish to put together because we've provided everything for you in your pasta and provisions kit this month. You have 2 orders of tagliatelle. You have your porcini mushroom sauce, which is porcini mushrooms and cream. You have Parmigiano Reggiano. And then from your own pantry or your garden, if you have some parsley, you can mince some parsley for a garnish. For starters, you're going to want to drop your tagliatelle in a pot of salted boiling water. And just remember, the water needs to be pretty salty. It's about a tablespoon per quart of water. You're going to separate those with a spoon or with your tongs, just so that they cook evenly. So the cook time for your pasta is about 5 minutes, or maybe just a little bit less. So that's the perfect amount of time to heat up your porcini sauce. I put that in my pan and just let it heat through. Once it's bubbly and steam is coming off of it, you know it's ready. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and add my pasta to my hot sauce. Give it a little stir. You toss it with your tongs. You can flip it. You can go ahead and flip. And just get the pasta nice and coated with the sauce. So you can reserve some of your pasta water in case your pasta gets a little bit dry. If the sauce dries up, and just add a little bit more water in to hydrate it and make it nice and creamy. At this point, we're going to add a little Parmigiano Reggiano, and this is to taste. So I'm just going to add a couple of teaspoons to mine. Then you can always serve the rest of it at the table, and people can sprinkle additional Parmigiano on. I'm also going to add a little bit of minced parsley. I'm going to toss some in and also sprinkle some on top. Now I'm going to go ahead and plate up one portion. Get some of that sauce in there as well. Some of the porcini on top. Beautiful. Okay. Then you can sprinkle with a little bit of minced parsley. And there we have it. Tagliatelle con sugo di porcini. Enjoy.